This would be the view, which is like sick. I would never want to leave. Anyway, you walk back into your gigantic living space. Stripper pole right there, yeah. Only for exercise though. Hallway to your half bath. So people don't need to stick their ass where you stick yours. There's the master bathroom.
That's it. You don't think about it.
Another balcony. Huge closets. And the master bedroom, which is like, but just high windows. But good morning, America. I'm so sad about this view, you know. I don't know if I could deal with this.